Programming and logic. What is programming? Programming is the foundation of modern technology, driving everything from smartphones to complex artificial intelligence system. Over the years, programming languages have evolved significantly, shaping the way software and applications are developed. A key component of programming success is logical thinking, which allows developers to write efficiently and effective code. This report explores ways to enhance programming logic and the role of logical. Programming language is computational problem solving. Ang programming mao ang nagpadagan sa modern technology gikan sa mga cellphone hangtod sa artificial intelligence. Sa kadaghan programming language ang nahimo aron mapadali ang paghimo og software apps. Para mahimong maayo nga programmer, kinahanglan nga kabalo ka magunahuna og logical. Ang logical nga paghuna makatabang sa paghimo og klaro og effective nga code nga sayon sabton og buhaton. How logical thinking starts early. Logical thinking is a skill that can be developed from a young age. Encouraging children to think logical helps them solve problems more effectively and prepares them for career in programming and other technical field. Ang logical thinking nakabalo na kabisan sa bata pa. Kung matudluan lang ka nga makahuna-huna og logic, mas dali sila makasolve og problema og andam sila para sa mga trabaho sa programming og uban pang technology nga trabaho. Encouraging logical thinking children. Logical thinking is not an inborn talent. It's a skill that improves with practice. Parents and teachers can encourage logical reasoning by asking children to explain their thought processes when solving problems. Activities like storytelling, reasoning-based question, and step-by-step problem solving help strengthen logical thinking. Ang logical thinking dili talent nga nadala na daan, kung isa ka ability nga ma-improve kung permi gamiton ang mga parents o teacher nga makatabang sa mga bata nga ma-improve ang ilang logical thinking. The way sa pangutana sa mga bata, kung giunsa nila pag-solve ang isa ka problema, masulbad dayon. Na like example, chess, puzzle, Sudoku and other brain training games. Chess teaches strategy, pattern recognition, and planning several moves ahead. Puzzles improve awareness and logical deduction by requiring children to recognize pattern and complete a missing part. Sudoku enhance number, pattern recognition, and semantic problem solving skills. Board games and brain teaser games that require planning and critical thinking like Rubik's Cube or logic grid puzzles help develop problem solving abilities. Real life application of logical thinking. Mathematics and science. Logical reasoning helps in understanding formulas, problem solving, and scientific experiments. Everyday decisions. Logical thinking is a use in decision making such as planning a schedule, budgeting money, or troubleshooting simple problems. programming and coding, logical thinking is essential in programming language as it helps in writing clean and efficient code. Gamit kayo ang logical thinking sa mathematics o science, labi na sa pagsabot sa formula nga problem solving o mga scientific experiment. Sa mga everyday nga decision, magamit sa nato na labi na sa pagplano sa schedule, pagbudget sa kwarta or imo mga problema og sa last programming and coding, makatabang na para makabuhat nimo nga limpyo og saktong imong code. Logical programming language. Logic programming is a programming paradigm based on formula logic, unlike procedural programming which focus of explicit instructions. Logic programming focus of defining rules and relationship between data. Ang logical programming kay isa sa programming nga nagamit og formula logic. Formal logic dili parehas sa procedural programming nga nagsunod-sunod nga instructions. Ang logic programming nag-focus sa pagbuhat og mga roles og relation sa data and system. Gyud ang mangita sa solusyon gamit ang logical inference. What are declarative language? Definition: declarative language focus on what the programming should accomplish rather than how it achieve it. The programmer defines fact, rules, and relationship, and the system determines the solution through logical inference. Example of declarative language used for database. Ang declarative language kay isa ka sa programming language nga na-focus kung unsa gusto nga accomplish rather than unsaon paghimo. To explain it short, ang programming mohatag lang og facts, rules ug relation, tapos ang system ang mag-compute sa solution. Difference between logic and procedural programming. Failure: logical programming, procedural programming. Focus, decisional model, control, flow, use, chassis. Example: describe relation and roles. Mao na siya mga example siya. Enhance logical thinking for programming. Logical thinking essential for solving complex problem in programming. Developing logical thinking skills from an early age through activities such as playing chess, solving puzzle, and in mathematical exercise helps programming approach coding challenge more effectively. The following are some of the best way to improve programming logic. Think to solve: breaking down large problem into smaller manageable tasks help programming focus on solving each part efficiently. Using pseudocode or flowchart can assist in the process. Sa mga enhance nato atong logical thinking sa programming as early age, imo nang ihan kaugalingon or practice katut nga mga games like puzzle, chess, mga solving problem na ay mga best way para ma-improve atong skill sa logic.